My name is Amrit or Amritash. I'm the author of this book. It's called Aditi Zoo. I wrote it in 2013. It's been 7 years. I have had the great opportunity to tell this story to many children live in their schools, in their apartment complexes, etc. Over the last 7 years, and I think this is my first ever Zoom storytelling for Aditi Zoo, or if you're watching it on YouTube, then YouTube storytelling, or if you're watching it on Facebook, then Facebook storytelling, or if you're watching it on Freedom, then Freedom storytelling. But whatever it is my first digital storytelling of Aditi Zoo. So I'm very excited. So the story is really about how Aditi became Aditi Zoo. That's what the whole story is about. The story of how Aditi became Aditi Zoo. So Aditi is a little girl. She's in class 2. She's 6 years old. And she's just lost a few of her front teeth. My front teeth are there, but Aditi has just lost her front teeth. And Aditi's best friend is Anjali. Now, Aditi and Anjali do everything together. They go to school together in the same auto rickshaw. They sit together in the same bench in class. They eat lunch together. They come back home in the same auto rickshaw. And then after they come back home, they talk to each other on phone for hours. So they are that kind of close friends. So Aditi and Anjali were doing this friendship thing for a really long time. They're BFFs. I'm sure you know what that means. Best friends forever, right? Till Anjali got a little brother. Now, once Anjali got her little brother, every time Aditi and Anjali spoke, all Anjali will talk about is, you know what my brother did today? You know what my brother did today? My brother's so cute. I did this with my brother. I did that with my brother. She would go on and on and on and on and on. And Aditi felt very bored and very jealous. Correct. Aditi felt very jealous. She also wanted a little brother or a little sister that she could play with and that she could talk about and that she could, make faces at. So Aditi went to her mother and father and said, Amma, Papa, can I please have a little brother or a sister? So Aditi's mother looked at Aditi's father. Aditi's father said, He rubbed his tummy. First, you get a dog. So Aditi's father said, first you get a dog. So Aditi thought for a while, I have to get a dog, is it? So my father is saying, if I get a dog, I'll get a brother. Okay, I'll get a dog. Where will I get a dog from? So Aditi went and asked her teacher, what should I do? Her teacher was this really nice woman called Miss Sharmila. And Miss Sharmila said, don't worry, Aditi. My brother has a few puppies you can take. So Aditi took one little puppy and the puppy was so small that she could fit the puppy, not Aditi, that she could fit into Aditi's father's shoe. That's small. And he used to make a sound like this. And Aditi named her Achu. Now, Aditi and Achu became very good friends. They would do everything together. They would eat together. Dogs eat almost everything that, their owners give them except chocolate. They're not supposed to eat chocolate at all or sugary things. So they played together. They would sleep together on the same bed, etc., etc. And, after a while, Aditi remembered that she had got the dog for a reason. You remember the reason? Because Aditi's father said that she has to get a dog to get a little brother or little sister. So, one day, Aditi took her little dog, Achu, and went to her mother and father and said, Amma, Papa, now I have a little dog. Can I please get a little brother or a sister? Aditi's mother looked at Aditi's father. Aditi's father rubbed his tummy. Okay, now you get a goat. Aditi's father said to Aditi, go get a goat. Aditi thought for a while, what does goat have to do with brother? But okay, Aditi was very determined. So he went to look for a goat. Now, where will you get a goat shop? Before you say goat, sorry, where will you get a goat? Before you say goat shop, I should tell you that if you go to a goat shop and ask for a goat, they might give you the butchered goat. Okay, go on. Farm. Good idea. Farm. But Aditi lived in a city. There were no farms at all. Where else can you get a goat from?
You can get a goat from a goat stable.
A goat stable. Okay.
But
So,
keeps goats.
so Aditi's house had a cook who used to come to cook their evening dinner and snacks. And so she said to Aditi that my brother has a little goat herd kind of thing, and he has 4 goats. Why don't you go and ask him? So Aditi took her piggy bank. You know what a piggy bank looks like, right? Like this.
That's an elephant bank.
That's true. This is an elephant bank. So Aditi took her elephant bank or piggy bank, went to this Anna and said, Anna, will you please give me a goat? Anna was very amused, took the piggy bank and said, okay, there are 5 goats. Whichever one you want, you can take. So Aditi ran to the goats and the goats ran away. Aditi tried again to get the goats. But every time Aditi would go to the goats would run away. So Aditi didn't want a pet who would run away. So Aditi went back to Dana, took her piggy bank back, and went home. And Aditi sat on her bed and thought, okay, now what should I do? Aditi felt very sad. Luckily for her, the next day, she was coming back from school, and in her auto rickshaw, a little goat came to the auto rickshaw to eat some of the flowers that the auto rickshaw driver had kept on his seat. So then Aditi saw the little goat and started petting her. You know, like how you do pets like this. And the goat also like started showing like her, okay, pet me here like that. So then Aditi made friends with this goat, grabbed the goat and took the goat home. And Aditi named him Billy. Now Billy was a really difficult pet. He would make one sound all day and it was very annoying to Aditi's mother. It went like this. And he ate all the flowers. The goat ate all the flowers. And Aditi's mother was so upset. But Aditi now had a dog and a goat. So Aditi took her dog and her goat and went to her father and mother and said, Amma, Papa, I now have a dog and a goat. Will you give me a little brother or a sister? Aditi's mother, you know what she did, right? Looked at Aditi's father. Aditi's father, you know what he did, right? Rubbed his tummy. That day, Aditi's father was very angry. He rubbed his tummy and said, okay, now go get an elephant. Aditi felt very frustrated. She had done the hard work of getting a dog and a goat. Now she had to get an elephant. Where do you get an elephant? Yes?
Temple.
Right. Yeah. You know the sound that elephants make? Like that. So this is a huge elephant, and next to the huge elephant, there was a small elephant. And the small elephant's name was Abhinaya Kutti. Yes, Abhinaya Kutti. Now, Aditi got very excited. Aditi wanted to take the elephant home, but there's a problem. Elephants are very heavy, even baby elephants. Abhinaya Kutti was 100 kilos. That's like 5 children. Aditi couldn't really, pick the elephant and take her home, or couldn't pull the elephant or couldn't push the elephant. So Aditi had to really work hard to make friends with the elephant. So Aditi did that and started playing football with the elephant after school every day. And many days later, once she asked the temple priest, "Can I take this elephant home for a bit?" And so the temple priest said, "Okay, but you can take him at 4, but bring him back by 6. So for 2 hours every day, in Aditi's house, there were 3 animals. For those 2 hours, Aditi's house sounded like a zoo. And so her friends started calling her Aditi Zoo. That's how Aditi got her name, Aditi Zoo. So then you will ask me, what happened? Did Aditi get a little brother or sister? So yes, she did. She got a little brother. His name is Rohan. He's very small now, but of course, this story was written 7 years ago. So now he must be 7 years old. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed the story. That's the story of Aditi Zoo. We also learned 3 new words: jealous, frustrated, determined. Thank you very much.